Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will be threading the bobbin thread. Yay! So what you'll need in order to do this tutorial is an empty bobbin thread, a spool of thread, as well as some scissors and your trusty Brother LX2375 sewing machine. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is cut our sewing machine on. Our lever is to the right side of the machine. It's a black lever. So I cut my machine on. Now, if I look at these pictures, I will see how to thread. I take my thread and I'm going to do the same thing that I see in the picture. The thread should be coming off the right. I will put that on the spool holder. Now sometimes the spool holder looks like that when you first get it, so all you do is pull it up. I put my thread on my spool holder, and then if I look at this picture, it tells me how to thread it around this little circular silver piece. I'm going to take it and do the same thing. So I take it around, put it on there. And so now it should look exactly like the picture. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is take my bobbin, my empty bobbin, and if you look at it, there is 2 circles on the bobbin. I'm going to take my thread here and I'm going to insert it through this top one, not the bottom, but the top of the bobbin. So I'm going through the underside. So this is the top side of the bobbin, this is the underside, and then this is the bottom. So I'm going through the underside of the bobbin. You see how I inserted it, and now the thread is coming through the top. Please do that. I take my bobbin here and I put it on my bobbin holder, and I'm going to hold the thread with one hand and take my other hand and click it. So now the bobbin is stuck. Now when you click it, the sewing needle will not go up and down. So that's what you want. So I hold it in one hand, and then I'm going to take my foot pedal here. My foot pedal's right there. And I am going to push it with my right foot, and I'm holding it at the same time, and there it goes. Now I usually do it rather slowly. I'm still holding it, but now that it's threaded and it's okay, I'm gonna just cut it and keep going. Now I don't usually go fast. I usually go about this pace. You can go slower if you want. The good thing about sewing machines is the bobbin is full of thread. The sewing machine will stop on its own. Now you see how it's about to stop, so it looks like it's about done. I'm going to take my scissors here and I'm going to cut my thread. And let's look at what we did. So you see how smooth it is? There are no thread that's just like loopy. We threaded our bobbin in this tutorial. I hope it helps. Please subscribe to our channel, as well as leave us some suggestions of some new tutorials that we could do in the future. Until next time, mwah.